share how you can participate in RPL Type 4 program. So, if we talk about the major components of any skill training program, one is how many hours we need to orient people, how many hours we need to train people. As we have spoken about that, it is the quantification to the skills of people. There is no mandatory orientation hours. Individual can directly give their online assessment, as mentioned by Mr. Mathur and Mr. Deepak Sharma. And what is second component is going to be the mobilization strategy, how we are going to get the target audience, target beneficiaries. These are the people who are either directly employed with you, or you are enabling their lives as a enabler industry. So the data might be available with you, contact details might be available with you, you can use those information. Or the people who are employed with you are the major target beneficiaries. As clearly mentioned by Mr. Sharma, the benefits which will be rolled out to the employees or the people who will be certified under your ages is the joint certification to their skills under the various levels. Levels are NSQF, what we call as, if we in a layman's term, we can say it well defined by Ministry of Skill Development according to their skill possessed, work experience, education level, and skill level. Second, it will be a joint certification that the individual was engaged with a particular respective organization, which add credentials to his skills. Then is the 2 lakh accidental insurance under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Bima Yojana. It's a accidental insurance, uh, and 500 rupees direct benefit transferred to the concerned manpower. These are the minute benefits, but the major benefit which we should focus is the skills, is the quantification to their skills and respect which they are going to earn after so many years. And these are the points which we are putting emphasize on the basis of PMKY 2.0. I would like to reiterate that certain points might change when this PMKY 3.0 launches, or there can be certain deviations, but we are expecting not much of deviations. Project implementing agencies are going to be the Sector Skill Council, which is FFSC over here, or the industry body who can directly participate in it. And we have shared the few examples like HETIC, Greenply, NARCI. And what is the mode of application, how you can participate in it. Once we roll out the teaser of our this town hall, I have shared Excel sheet with the name of Annexure 1, in which you can provide us the details, how many people you want to certify. And there was a Annexure 2 in which the job roles, courses along with their codes, these are the job roles which are approved by Ministry of Skill Development, along with these manpower needs to be aligned by you. In case of any query, any confusion, you can directly get in touch with me. We can directly get in touch with our team members, so that we can support you in getting that information compiled and submit to us. Once we get the entire information, we will be submitting a comprehensive consolidated proposal to National Skill Development Corporation, which will further go ahead to Ministry of Skill Development for approval. Once we get the approval, we will be informing you that these many numbers has been approved or not approved under your kitty. Post that, there are operational steps for which we will be conducting a separate town hall or a webinar, so that step by step orientation we will be guiding our industry players on those lines. So this is the way by which we are going to take care of our RPL Type 4 with the industry. So I am just closing the presentation session and opening up the question and answer round.